say we have a female vice president, but she is silent. Hawa Koomson Prof Opoku Agyeman. I was on high ala media Ghana, and Eddie can message or best subscribe, be like in watch now they commenting and so at home. Snebaya me ba making kind a day amawo. Hawa Koomson ye kaya Blukuma North. The course for Honoma, your boo no, just a non one your boo no. Na a hon sem so aye de jano. What they let be about one thing, na young kind mukakra. Former Member of Parliament for Autu Senior East, Mavis Hawa Koomson, has expressed disappointment over what she described as a lack of concern from President John Dramani Mahama and Vice President Naana Opoku Agyeman. Following the brutal assault she suffered during the Blukuma North parliamentary rerun on July 11, 2025, speaking in an interview on Asempa FM on July 16, 2025, Hawa Koomson said she was particularly surprised that the president, the vice president, who is also a woman, and had not reached out to her, after the incidents. As we speak, not even one of them has called me, President John Dramani Mahama and Vice President Professor Naana Opoku Agyeman. I am very surprised that Vice President Naana Jane, as a woman, today we say we have a certain vice president. She has not even called to check on me. I expected better. She stated, according to the former MP, only members of her party, the New Patriotic Party (NPP), had shown concern, while no top government official had reached out to sympathize with her. However, Madam Koomson acknowledged that the Minister for the Interior, Mubarak Mohammed Muntaka, had personally contacted her to assure her of a thorough investigation into the attack. He called and told me that they are taking the matter seriously. He said he has instructed the regional police commander to investigate truly and bring those behind the attack to book. She revealed how Koomson was attacked at St. Peter on the Yahweh near Ekusi. Dear how Koomson, a person can you say, if you say your bone will be Blukuma North, no, yes, you say NDC former to Phobi, a bone will be Blukuma North, no. Professor Naana, Vice President Opoku Agyeman, Professor Naana Opoku Agyeman. On far phone on friend no, Emisa said no to say that, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on also friend no, Emisa said no to say crada. Now yes, yet your man will say you will feel me Vice President. Now so no, untimin check up on her. Now is a D Vice President who ya pa so no podium call your ba na ko betu ma frɛ no bisa se ne ho sitie at least what ma ba besra no so Vice President enye nti wadi no ho ya na hwe ni nyina no eye ono ani party no eye MPP party no pe ena eba besra no sympathize with her ebeye oh kakra ohubeto tenu koto hospital o man koto na ho koyi ne ba ya ba omiani ni kutwitwa pictures nyina na say MPP for nko no NDC member ena etumi afre no ebisa kra say ne ho etesen kra da na emom interior minister de wafre no ne nakasa say asem no afa ni serious no mfa no tra sa akwa na emom investigation koso inti no nietie bia no o ma edi sa nyambra sem no ye dom beba emra nanim na emra no eni won edi se nietie na Mami Mavis Hawa Koomson Patrick Ghana of Western Miss I will say those that you let your boys killed no what you might visit your family and what they are saying is that ebinum adaniel kunafo because of your boys ebinum a prepare that them omuntumi nko ye adwuma because of your boys. Have you called them? Have you visited them? What to make us wrong, Crada? shooting a course so it say moja edi bim innocent blood ehwiegu because of your boys no Ghana for say mimisa o say what to university wo ana so to university o dia look at the pain that you are going through right now no stress pain no no stress pain na no mo so fam wo dia ne ye bro but obi dia ye tuo bullet awura ni pa body mu ebi dia de to ana nanom wonse do ebi nso enya nkwa na emum why paralyzed ontimi nko baabia what na say adwen situation omum how pain omum fam oya omum fam wadwen ho ana eno ena Ghana for me bisa so wadwen ho dia ena na vice president onso ba hwehwe now fast forward enra and I'm bear story be more about OSP Mustafa Hamid and now there's bia NPA National Petroleum Authority almost Kebi afa one sase no OSP at the bar say you don't back court nene OSP the letters have to abontain you be kan mu kakra or say the office of the Special Prosecutor OSP has scheduled a trial date for former Chief Executive Officer of the National Petroleum Authority NPA Mustafa Abdul Hamid, 6 other individuals and 3 companies over an alleged 280 million Ghana cedis extortion and money laundering scheme. According to the OSP, accused Mustafa Hamid and 9 others would be put before Criminal Division 3 of the High Court on Wednesday, 23rd July 2025. In general story na me beyama about Mustafa Hamid and Oma Kane 3 companies bia sika bia fo mun sa say sika 280 million Ghana cedis. Yesusu say afa wansase no. OSP the letter babontia no pay nyame boa aye 23rd of this month July 2025 Wednesday ye di enimia. Ye di won copy court Accra High Court na yakudi won asem. Nti bubo o ma sene mra ne se no. Ye de beye o mu. Ti we de sene da meka no. OSP any penny for a better assembly so. Judges Mr. Sa assembly bubo omu a Ghana for say Muni sika mfamaye. Muni sika mfamaye. Momo gasi sika no madi omunya. Omubenya. Omumfa yesika maye. Na yemfansi yesi oman no. Na youth ne bre. Uko school kura wi abenya adwuma ye asem. Adwuma no kura wonya biya. Ebiya aben adwuma. Na ketua kembe 3 months na ketua mbae 4 months na ketua mbae na demonstrations koso na sikente se kwabrane to sikente se kwabrane ataso na ode ye de ope oman sikeni ono nko ane dia na ode ye de ope kofonya office nya aban adwuma nya position nya panyindia yisu sa power no ni ye de epe na owura fi se power na ekura no etese candle si yedi tumi mawa at a second yaso ebehia besa mada power ne besa no ho na obebu hu konta say power ne yede ma no wo de ya de pa ana wo de ya de boni so wo de ya de pa enema pa ne bidi wachi na so wan fa anya de pa de tietia nkofo pa wo de se yede ye kata so hye pro ye kankan e de ye dwirim. So was selfish interest. Intino wonmi obi ho say obi be kwa he say den e beto o man na ewom no emu citizens den e beto mu ondwe ho je woni ma na say wo wadidi amen na watwe tai ato ofusuofu ai den bawe na de na mabonten na wo chese wo nkwa wudidi me na ope but onwu mu maka ho na ka hu say tumi bi na do kwatena o and those that Oma ma say to me no ema kwatena ho no no oma na emre bi ba ombebisa wo say to me na yede ma wo no den e na wo de ye aye ala media Ghana asemi ye ni de akire mro be court de court beka de be wakosi nyina no ye de ba be down for adwenkyere ato comment section ho no me ba making kan e de ama